When we talk about laundry, hindi lang capacity ang aming iniisip. We think about how to get the job done faster. At dapat, meron ding water and energy savings. All of this will help your laundry business operate more profitably. And when we talk about profitability, you can always depend on Whirlpool Maytag Commercial Laundry to deliver. Ang Whirlpool Maytag was founded upon a simple idea: to build a superior product the consumers can rely on. And true to our heritage, you can trust Whirlpool Maytag to provide you with the right solutions for your needs. Tulad nitong Whirlpool Maytag Multi-Load Washer. Designed for performance and durability, this multi-load washer is crafted to meet the rigorous commercial laundry demands of various industries. Ito ay merong malaking capacity that will give you flexibility to price cycles higher. Multi-load machines with LCD screens are also designed with software that help owners manage systems and settings, while at the same time help customers navigate their payment selection and track their wash cycle progress. And that is a great reason on how upgrading your equipment can help grow your operation. As a time-tested leader in the industry, ang Whirlpool Maytag washers and dryers are designed to handle the toughest loads resourcefully and efficiently. Kaya ang ating mga products feature inverter drive technology, which provide better energy efficiency and longer motor life, allowing you to save up to 30% of electricity. It also enables the machine to gradually reach high extraction speeds, easing wear and tear on components, at dahil dito ay na-extend ang buhay ng washer beyond that of other commercial washing machines. Whirlpool Maytag laundry products also excel at delivering innovations you can expect from an industry leader, like the exclusive Turbo Wash system, which combines spray baffles and program combo patterns to provide the optimum balance of cleaning power and water conservation. Ang mga baffles na ito deliver the water directly where it's needed for maximum saturation with less water, cutting water usage up to 44%. Now, aside from efficiency and innovation, ang bawat Whirlpool Maytag commercial laundry product is also designed to deliver dependable performance over years of continuous use. Naniniwala kami na durable products should remain just that. That's why every Whirlpool Maytag laundry equipment is constructed with the highest quality materials and with the utmost in precision craftsmanship. Porcelain enamel, for example, is a hard scratch-resistant coating that remains color-fast and classy after years of use. As the only commercial washer and dryer in the market with a porcelain enamel top, tulad dito, this premium material makes it superior to other machines which only have a paint finish. Yung smooth and glassy finish nito cleans easily and is resistant to acidic and alkaline chemicals. Ang porcelain enamel is also extremely heat-resistant, generally able to withstand temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And because your business depends on clean laundry, you can count on the dependability of Whirlpool Maytag. Alam niyo ba that many buildings are designed without proper venting for laundry, which leads to poor drying performance and serious waste of energy? Maytag's exclusive Turbo Vent technology offers 100 feet of venting capability to provide maximum performance and shorter drying times, while helping save on energy costs. Meron din itong high-speed extraction, which offers spin speeds up to 1,000 RPM na nagre-resulta in shorter dry times and decreased cycle times to help your operation run at peak efficiency. Meanwhile, this stack space-saving design is an ideal solution para sa mga taong nangangailangan ng washer and dryer ngunit meron lamang limited space in which to fit them. The combined units consume less space and can be installed in any enclosed area, allowing you to do your laundry with ease and convenience. Kaya naman when you choose Whirlpool Maytag Commercial Laundry, you choose more than a machine. You get a brand you can trust and a team ready to support you every step of the way. And Maytag, you ensure your peace of mind. Reliability. That is our promise and our guarantee.